In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an AI email assistant in N8N that can automatically read, understand, and respond to your emails using artificial intelligence. Start by opening N8N and creating a new workflow. Add a Gmail trigger node so the system can detect new incoming emails in real time. If you're using another email provider, you can use an IMAP trigger instead. Next, extract the important email details such as the sender, subject, and message body. Use a set node to clean and structure the data so it can be processed easily by the AI. Now add an AI agent node or OpenAI node. This is the brain of your email assistant. Connect your model and pass the email content into it so it can analyze and understand the message. Inside the AI prompt, instruct the system to classify emails, summarize them, and generate professional replies. You can also define categories like support, sales, spam, or general inquiries to improve organization. After that, add logic using an if node. This allows your workflow to decide what to do based on the email type. For example, send automatic replies for support emails or create drafts for sales messages. Then connect a Gmail node to either send the response directly or save it as a draft, depending on how much control you want over outgoing messages. Optionally, you can store all email activity in Google Sheets for tracking and analysis, including the original message, category, and AI-generated reply. Once everything is tested and working properly, activate the workflow. From now on, N8N will automatically manage your inbox, respond to emails, and organize communication using AI. And that's how to create an AI email assistant in N8N Connect Gmail. Add AI processing, set logic rules, and automate your entire email workflow.